The construction boom experienced by Russia today, being the best index of economic development, requires that the market participants have usage of the best world construction experience. Having acquired its first wall-cutting unit 12 years ago and being one of the pioneers in the development of the Russian market of diamond technologies, the firm Olvex is currently considered to be the leader in the field of application of diamond cutting and drilling technologies in Russia and has a staff of over 150 highly qualified specialists and stock of equipment of the leading world producers, among which there are more than 30 wall-cutting units and about 100 drilling systems. High mobility, availability of network of facilities and firm representations allows our Olvex to solve problems connecting with diamond cutting of different complexity within any period of time necessary for the client on all territory of Russia and abroad. The brilliant completion of the 12-year development of the firm was reached by dismantling of reinforced concrete blocks above the underground constructions at the address Moscow, Kiev Station Square. Representing two reinforced concrete lenses with diameter 22 meters and width reaching 2.5 meters in the central part, these constructions protected shafts and were able to bear the direct heat of nuclear charge of low power. It's not difficult to imagine the degree of reinforcing of similar buildings. It is sufficient to say that in the greater part of cuts performed, the percentage of metal content reached 40% of total area of the cut. The proximity of operating underground lines didn't allow to use explosive and impact technologies, and limited terms of work and restricted work conditions made the work more complicated. Therefore, it's not by mere chance that the client has chosen ZAO Olvex, an organization which has unblemished reputation as a firm capable of performing any task set by the client in the sphere of diamond cutting. Working 24 hours a day and without holidays, under difficult weather conditions, the air temperature went down to 30 degrees, 1,300 cubic meters of reinforced concrete were divided into 150 transportable prefabricated building units, loaded and removed within the period of 40 days by more than 70 specialists from our firm. Taking upon itself the fulfillment of all complex of works, beginning from reinforced concrete dismantling to its loading, removing and utilization, and releasing the client from the care of coordination of subcontractors, actions on the construction site, ZAO Olvex is striving to achieve the optimal in the correlation price-period proposal. The participation in reconstructing the largest industrial and power engineering works, buildings and constructions of different purpose was highly evaluated by hundreds of regular clients of our firm. That is why it's not a surprise that within the framework of the competition held in April 2005, the builder of St. Petersburg and St. Petersburg region 2004, ZAO Olvex became a laureate in nomination Company in the Sphere of New Technologies of Construction Complex. The achievements of the company in the development of technology of diamond cutting in Russia have not been left unnoticed outside the country. On the 18th of April 2005, at the meeting in Zurich, ZAO Olvex was admitted to the member of the International Association of Concrete Drillers and Sawers. The entry of the company Olvex into the International Association was greeted by the presidents of the leading national associations. They wished success in the development of the market of diamond technologies in Russia and expressed their hope for creating the Russian Concrete Sawing and Drilling Association. On the 26th of April 2005, ZAO Olvex, the first and the only company among contractors in Russia now, was admitted to the member of the American Concrete Sawing and Drilling Association. International cooperation in the sphere of the development of world market of diamond technologies is an exit of company Olvex towards a new frontier of its activities.